Jai Gurudev. This is Deepikambika from Rajamandri, Andhra Pradesh. My journey with Vidyarambha Gurukula started in the month of March 2025. When I found there was lots of stress in my kids. They were not enjoying their life the way it is for them. They were just like feeling stressed in their education, not able to focus on their studies, on their activities. They wanted something else. And these generation kids, they just can't sit for a longer time. They can't focus on any one activity at a time. They need something. They run behind everything. And that causes attention to the parents as well. After watching all this, to engage my kids during the some vacation after term 2 exams, I just found through Facebook Vidyarambha Gurukula. I just wanted to give them a try to engage them for the holidays. And that has really proven that it's the best way to make our kids self-confident, motivated and self-resilient for them. They can understand themselves. As parents, what we try to do is we run behind them, trying to make them do what we want them to do. But later I found that it is not these generation kids. They have their clarity for their life. They have some vision for their life. What I observed through my kids. So I just wanted to channel them to the path they wanted to grow and move on. So after joining Vidyarambha Gurukula, the activities, the way Guruji motivated them, encouraged them and inspired them to move on with these blindfold activities. These are not just the activities to engage the kids, but to build their self-confidence in the kids that they can do anything what they want. They have all power within themselves. This Vidyarambha Gurukula has made me, my kids as well as my family as a whole a more consistent way. It brought us together in our views, ideas, in our thoughts and in our actions also. More than the physical blindfold activities, what I found was the way Guruji engaged the parents as well along with the kids. That's the most important thing. Because kids learn by observing the parents and everything at home itself. So it is the parents and the elders who have to study themselves first, understand themselves first, and then try to implement on the kids. And the spirituality, as we say, it's not a different part, but it is a way of life that we need to live. But as the times are changing, that has become something different from our way of life. And that is something related to religion it has made. But spirituality is not about religion. It is the way a human being has to lead the life. The reason why spirituality is made for humans is that every creature in this universe is related to nature, is connected with the nature and goes with the flow of the universal laws. It is only the human beings who are deviated from the laws of nature. That is the reason why we need some certain rules and regulations to lead our life in a pleasant, peaceful manner. And that made me, and I wanted that sort of life for my kids. But when we think of spirituality and kids, both don't match so easily. I am into spiritual practices for a long time. But the way Guruji has connected spirituality through kids to the family is really fabulous. And it's wonderful. His thought process, his vision, everything. So as a part of children's growth, we too grew along with them. We too understood ourselves. We too understood the kids, their mindsets, and now we gone parallelly understanding each other rather than taking stress and giving them stress. If I need to say about our Guruji, he is into Hanuman Yoga. He is a Hanuman Upasaka. What do you mean Hanuman? Vayuputra. Vayu means breath. It is connected to our breath. So our life is totally connected to our breath. Our mind, our physical body, our emotional body, our psychological emotions, everything are connected to our breath. When the breath is slow, the deeper your breath is, the more focused you are towards your life purpose. And this is what Guruji brought into light. Hanuman is not just a Ramadut, as we all know. He is beyond what we all know. He is connected to a breath. As we say that Hanuman, if we talk about Hanuman, we become fearless. How does it come? When you are connected to your breath, all your blockages in your mind just flies away. They get washed away. And that is how, when you get connected to your breath, you are connected to your inner self, your true self. And when you are connected to yourself, you have really a clarity of your life, this life purpose for what you have come into this world. Everything is clear in front of your eyes. So whatever the challenges they may come in life, you'll be able to face them easily. You'll handle your life with more confidence, with more strength. You'll understand your strengths and weaknesses, the opportunities that are in front of you, the weaknesses that are pulling you back. Everything can be understood through this. This is what I understood through the teachings of Guruji. And if I say what I have taken, the main subject I have taken from Vidyarambha Gurukula is that self-awareness is more important. You should be aware of each and every thought, every word you speak, and every action you do. It's only then we can lead the kids in a proper channel. And I'm really thankful to Guruji and all the team members of Vidyarambha Gurukula for their wonderful work and the way they guide the kids and the whole family as well. Thank you so much. Jai Gurudev.